Welcome to The Chase. This is your host today, Corey Moran, and today in the series of how-tos, we're going to be showing you how to get your cryptocurrency, wherever that may be, into your bank account for your local current fiat currency, which mine is USD. So today we're going to be using MetaMask to SimpleSwap to Coinbase, and that is the easiest, most simple way that I have found so far. And we're going to start with MetaMask. So you're going to go into your MetaMask app and you're going to open that up to your wallet that you're wishing to get your crypto into your fiat or your local currency. So as you see here, I will be using BNB. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to note how much I'm going to send. So I have 0.52 BNB in this account. I want to send 0.51 because I want to save a little in my account for gas fees for any future transfers or buys or sells. So I'll take my 0.51. I'll remember that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to SimpleSwap, and we will have a link below in the description for you that you can use, that you will be able to get Bitcoin for signing up, and we will mutually benefit. So that'd be great for both of us. So go ahead and click that link down below in the description. You'll come out to SimpleSwap. SimpleSwap is a very easy, user-friendly site to use. What we're doing is we're sending that 0.51, remember that 0.51 BNB. So on the right, you're going to select BNB, so you're going to write that in. You're going to make sure that's on the smart chain, the BSC. That's the one we select here. And you're going to type in 0.51. That's what we're sending. And we want to receive Litecoin. We're going to use Litecoin today, LTC, because I have found that is the cheapest, most efficient way to send crypto across the chain. So you're going to go in here and you're going to select LTC for Litecoin. It'll show you how much you're receiving. You're going to go ahead and hit the exchange button. So what this company does is it takes one currency, it swaps it for a different currency on a different chain and sends it to your home-based wallet. So this is where you're going to enter the wallet address that you're going to receive. So I'm going to need a Litecoin address where I receive my funds, and I'm going to go out to my Coinbase at the top left there, my Coinbase account, where I'm going to click receive. And receive, I want to type in LTC because we're receiving Litecoin. So I select my Litecoin, and then you see the address. I'm going to copy that at the bottom right there. Now that it's copied, I can go back out to my SimpleSwap, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the receiving Litecoin address here. Now I'm going to create an exchange. So what this is going to do is going to create that exchange for me. And I'm going to need to grab the wallet address that I need to send to, which will be awaiting your deposit, 0.51 BNB. That is correct. Always double check yourself to make sure that you are sending the correct crypto and you're going to be receiving the correct crypto. So it says deposit address. I'm going to go ahead and copy that address there in the middle in blue. I'm going to go back out to my MetaMask where I'm sending my BNB. So I'm going to click on my BNB here, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on send. And now this is where I'm sending to, right? You're going to paste the sending address that we got from SimpleSwap. I'm going to click on next. This little BNB here, you can click that and it'll switch from USD dollars to BNB. So I can type in 0.51. That's what we put in SimpleSwap. So I'm sending 0.51 BNB, which is $159.14. And I'm going to click on next. That all looks correct to me. So I'm going to go ahead and click send. And you see transaction is submitted, and I'm waiting for confirmation. And that just takes a couple of seconds. And once that, as you see, it just left the account. And I'm going to go back out to SimpleSwap. And once you refresh the page here, and you'll see that your status is in the middle bar there. You can see in the middle of the screen, there's a status bar. It says status pending deposit. What that's going to go through is about 4 to 5 stages of a status update. It'll go from pending deposit all the way to confirmation where your funds have been sent. Once the funds are sent, they will land in your LTC wallet in your Coinbase account. As you see there, it switched from status to sending to confirming. So once that goes all the way to complete, that's when you will wait for your Coinbase to authorize the Litecoin, and then you'll have it in Litecoin, and we'll go on to the next step. You will then get a finished successfully message from SimpleSwap once your crypto has been successfully sent to your destination, and you can refresh your SimpleSwap page to see this if you are currently seeing a in progress notification. So once that is finished, what you want to do is head to your destination place, which mine is Coinbase and LTC. So I'm going to go out to Coinbase, and I'm going to see in my portfolio that I have LTC there. You see there's $208.91. And what I'm going to do is, to get this to my bank account, is I'm simply going to click on Trade Litecoin LTC. So I can either hit the trade button on the left, on the very bottom left, or I just hit the blue Trade Litecoin, because I want to get Litecoin to USD, which is my current native fiat currency. So I'm just going to click on the sell button. So I want to sell my LTC. At the top here, I just click market, which is the current going rate for selling Litecoin. And I'm going to click the maximum amount. So you see I have the maximum amount there, and I want it to go to my cash USD. So that's all good there. Preview sell order. It's going to cost me $1.15, always a fee. Place sell order, and then order submitted. So that happens right away. So I can go and back to my portfolio, and you could see at the top here under USD, select that. I have $207.82 there. So just a few bucks from when I started at the 211 that I actually took out of BNB. Remember, I left a few dollars for gas into that BNB account. So now I can leave it here for my crypto spending, or I can I can add this amount to cash out to my balance. So the middle button there, I'm just going to hit cash out, and I click on continue to cash out. And if I want to do the max, I just click on the cash out maximum amount right there. And then I could do an instant cash out for a few more bucks, which I will select the regular, so it'd be $3.64 to do it instantly right now, or I can do 1 to 3 business days, which I can do that, preview cash out. Once that's ready there, I would go ahead and hit cash out now button, and there you have it. Your money from your crypto to your money in your bank account, just like that. Just a few steps. It might seem like a lot, but it's actually really simple. Once you do it once or twice, you'll get the hang of it, and it takes just a few minutes. The longest you have to wait really is the part when it's waiting for it to transfer from SimpleSwap to your Coinbase account. So hope you enjoyed the video. Join us for more how-to videos on the chase, and make sure you subscribe, like the video, and ring the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next